If you've been pregnant and felt like you were losing your mind, forgetting words mid-sentence, walking into rooms with modern neuroscience. In 2016, a team of researchers at the Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona did images. What they found was published in Nature Neuroscience, and it made headlines around the world. Pregnancy causes a significant reduction in gray matter volume, not in one area, across large regions of the brain. The prefrontal cortex. The reduction was so consistent, so predictable, that the researchers could look at a brain scan and determine whether a woman had been pregnant with 100% accuracy. No other life experience produces such a distinctive neural signature. Stress, not sleep deprivation, not aging. Pregnancy literally rewrites the architecture of the female brain. Now, the word shrinking is misleading. What's actually happening is far more elegant than simple tissue loss. And understanding changes everything about how we think about the pregnant mind. The process is called synaptic pruning, and you've experienced it before. During adolescence, between ages 12 and 25, the teenage brain undergoes a massive reorganization. The ones that aren't being used get eliminated. The ones that remain become faster, more efficient, more specialized. It's like clearing out a cluttered workshop, so the tools you actually need are easier to find. Pregnancy triggers the same process, but this time, the pruning isn't optimizing the brain for academic learning or social navigation. It's optimizing for something far more specific: caregiving. The gray matter that decreases most dramatically is concentrated in regions of the brain associated, repurposed for one single, overwhelming priority: understanding a baby who cannot speak. Dr. Elseline Hoxema, this way. The brain is becoming more specialized. Less gray matter doesn't mean less function. It means more focus. And the evidence supports this beautifully. When the research team showed the mothers photographs of their own babies versus other babies, the pruned brain regions showed dramatically enhanced activation, specifically for their own child. It had gained precision, but there's a cost, and anyone who's been pregnant knows what it feels like. The pruning process takes resources. While the brain is reorganizing itself, executive function takes a temporary hit. Working memory to hold multiple things in your mind at once declines measurably during the second and third trimesters. A 2018 meta-analysis published in the Medical Journal of Australia confirmed what millions of pregnant women have felt. Cognitive performance in memory tasks drops during pregnancy, particularly in the third trimester. You forget names. You lose your train of thought. You walk into the kitchen and stand there blankly for 30 seconds, wondering what you came for. You put your keys in the refrigerator. This isn't weakness. This is construction noise. Your brain is running a renovation while you're still living in it. And the temporary mess is the price of a permanent upgrade. Now, here's the part that nobody tells you. The gray matter changes don't reverse after birth, at least not fully. When Hoxema's team rescanned the mothers to postpartum, the gray matter reductions were still present. The brain had not bounced back to its pre-pregnancy state. And the women with the most persistent brain changes, they scored highest on measures of maternal attachment. The more the brain was brain, it permanently reshapes it. You don't go back to normal after having a baby, because your brain has built a new normal, one that is structurally, measurably, fundamentally oriented toward keeping another human being alive. The emotionally overwhelmed version of you that emerged during pregnancy, she isn't broken. She's a brain mid-renovation. Human biology. There's one more thing that's worth knowing. The brain changes aren't limited to the mother. A 2022 study, published in Cerebral Cortex, found that first-time fathers also show gray matter changes, though smaller in magnitude and in different regions. The fathers who spent the most time in direct caregiving showed the most change. Their brains were remodeling too, just more slowly, driven by experience rather than hormones. Parenthood isn't just an emotional transformation. One, for both parents. The brain literally restructures itself around the presence of a child. So the next time someone dismisses pregnancy brain as a joke, or the next time you feel embarrassed for forgetting a word, or crying at a commercial, or losing your car in a parking lot, remember what's really happening. Your brain isn't failing. Biology can give you, and the temporary glitches, the forgotten appointments, the emotional volatility, the feeling of being a stranger in your own head. Those are just the update loading. The final version will be worth the wait. And if you've ever noticed that you can't stop checking on your sleeping newborn, even when you know they're fine, the neural mechanism behind that compulsion reveals something extraordinary about how your brain has been rewired. That's